the things I like about Petrified Forest is you can see paleontologists at work. Just follow the signs. What they're doing is fossil preparation. They're picking rock off the fossils to study them or put them on display. And you can ask them questions too. What kind of animals do you find here?
We find things that are mostly like crocodile line. We do have 2 dinosaurs here. We also have amphibians and pterosaurs.
Could you tell me what the difference between a dinosaur and a crocodile is?
The dinosaur, they're kind of locked in, so those 2 bones are fused. So it has to walk a certain way. They'll say this thing is more closely related to this group.
So do all these fossils come from here?
Everything we find is from within the park boundary, and we pretty much find fossil material in every rock unit that's exposed out there to some degree.
How do you get these? How do they bring these back from the field?
So our field paleontologists essentially go out in the field and they walk around and they look for things weathering out on the surface.
Okay, so when you're doing this, how can you tell the difference between the fossil and the rock?
In this case, it's a really easy one, so it's color. So you can see this red, if you're looking at the TV screen, you can see the red is the rock and the white is the bone.
So how long does it take you to expose that bone?
What I'm working on here is part of a backbone or a vertebrae. So this piece by itself would probably take me about a day.
So are these from all the same dinosaur?
Yeah, they are. They're from the same kind of animal called a phytosaur, but they're different individuals. So we have a baby and an adult.
So how do you know when to stop?
We communicate quite a bit with the researcher. So what we generally want to do is expose the anatomy the best that we can.
What are you working on now?
Right now I'm working on...
You get the idea. If you're interested, check out the park website to see their schedules.